Assalamu alaikum and welcome to you, Doctor. This is the video presentation for Math 4 group project. And this is Mohammed MAGDI with a matric number BE32402. So in this video, I'll be introducing for group 2, section 1. So let's take a look. As you can see here, this is the member will be participating in this presentation. You can pause and take a look. So going to the project introduction. So in this project, actually, we discover and solve an actual engineering problem that related to integrated circuit manufacturing in Malaysia, and the data was provided from 2013 to 2021. Actually, we use this data provided in the article to achieve main three things, which is determine the total number of the integrated circuit production in Malaysia, and also use the both quadratic and cubic approximation methods to find the exact value of the data. And finally, we verify our answer using the software, where we check the result that we got from the calculation using the approximations method with the result we got from the MATLAB software after we plugging the value to check the accuracy of our answer. So that's just a brief overview for our project. In the next section, we'll be discussing the methodology. So I'll be leaving and give it to the next member.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh dan selamat sejahtera. Today, I'm WALEED Hussain bin SAJJAD Hussain, matric number AE1900026, will present about methodology in this project. What is methodology? Methodology is a system of methods used in a particular area of study or activity. Okay, today I will present about method which can solve in this project. First for all, we have to use quadratic approximation. What is quadratic approximation? Quadratic approximation is an extension of linear approximation, which is we are adding one more term which is related to the second derivative. In this slide, we can see the method. Okay, next. The second method we have to use is cubic approximation. The cubic approximation is which is to f at x equal to a is a cubic f3 which has the same value, derivative, second derivative, and third derivative as f at x equal to a. So from this slide we can see how to solve the problem when we use this method. That's all from me, and thank you for willing to listen my presentation.
Friends. Okay, now I am Muhammad Nadzmi bin Fauzi. We'll talk about the result. Okay, first, for the quadratic approximations, I get 27.1233 and the absolute error is 2.7067. For the cubic approximation, I get 23.8250 and the absolute value is 6.0050. Okay, for the simulation result, for quadratic approximations, I get 26.1233. It is similar with the manual calculation. And for cubic approximation, I get 23.8250. It is also similar For cubic approximation, manual calculations. And for absolute error, for quadratic approximations, I get 2.067067 and the absolute error for cubic is 6.0050. It is all similar to the manual calculations. This is all from me. And I give it to my member.
Okay, for the discussion part, I'm going to present. By using cubic and quadratic approximates, we can determine the value of the absolute error from this MATLAB simulation. We find that the value differs from the real total for 2018. We get the same result for approximate total from the data provided after manually calculating and using MATLAB. We make advantage of quadratic and cubic approximation. As a result, different estimates of the total number of productions unit required in 2019 were obtained for the two methods. The total number of production estimated by manually and the total number of productions calculated by MATLAB are the same result. According from our estimation, it is far from the total actual value for 2018. Both procedures are the same according to our simulation and manual calculation. This occurs because the process of Lagrange interpolation does not need equally spaced values in 2018. However, it is normally preferable to look for the closest value in the table and then use the lowest order interpolation that is consistent with the data's functional form. Furthermore, higher order polynomial answers will be more accurate and the results will soon converge to a correct solution.